How do I make an unbreakable prenuptial agreement? I'm Steve Kramer. I'm a Florida family law and divorce attorney. And if you've got a significant pool of assets, if you've got a lot of money, and you're marrying somebody, and you're concerned about losing your money or your family's estate, then you need to plan on a prenuptial agreement and how to do it the right way. And the most important thing is making sure that you give a full and complete disclosure. And this is where we want to be very, very thorough. We want to make sure we got our financial statements totally in order and leave no stone unturned. Because if you don't make a disclosure, you're in big trouble. And all your plans may be for nothing. You may lose half of all of that money that you spent your life accumulating, or maybe that your father, your grandfather, your grandmother spent their lives accumulating. If you want to protect your money, you got to make a complete disclosure. Also, I think it's a very good idea to make sure that your spouse meets with an attorney. They don't have to spend a fortune with the attorney. They don't have to spend hours with the attorney, but they should review the agreement with the attorney, because we don't want them coming back and saying that your attorney advised them, or that they never met with an attorney, or that they signed the agreement under duress. And then that's the next point. We want to make sure that there's no duress here and that it looks as if this is done fairly. So we want to make sure that the process is fair, that you give them time to review the agreement. And we want to make sure that it doesn't look totally unfair, and that's called being unconscionable. We want to make sure that this agreement doesn't look too lopsided or unfair, or that if it is that way, that we've spelled it out very, very clearly. And we want to make sure that it's drafted the right way. You don't want some boilerplate form off the shelf. You want a custom tailored suit. You want it made to fit. If you're bothering to go through this step, it means you've got something to protect. And this is not where you pinch the pennies. This is where you make it count. And there's affordable ways to do that, but it's a very sound investment. And you're talking about a very, very minute investment compared to what's at stake. So do it the right way. If you want to protect your assets, if you want to protect your family's financial legacy, call me. I'd be glad to sit down with you. Pick up the phone. We'll spend some time reviewing this together. I'm Steve Kramer. Thanks for watching.